So now students, we are doing some other questions of the chapter number 14, coordinate geometry. So the question is today, prove that 2a, 4a, 2a, 6a and 2a plus under root 3 into a, 5a are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So these 3 points you have to prove as the vertices of an equilateral triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is a triangle having all of its sides equal. Okay, if if all the three sides of a triangle are equal in length, then you call it as an equilateral triangle. Okay, now let me make an equilateral triangle first here. Sorry. Okay, this way I will make. Looking somehow equilateral? Yes. So let's say this is the point A, this is B, and this is C. So let's say the point A is here, 2A, 4A. This is the point 2A, 4A, and point B is, let's say it is 2A, 6A. This is 2A, 6A. Then point C, you take it as this one, 2A plus under root 3 into a, 5. So this is 2a plus under root 3 into a, 5. So these are your 3 points. So how will you prove this as an equilateral triangle? First you will find out AB, then you will find out BC, then you will find out AC. If all are coming same, then yes, it's an equilateral triangle. So first you will find out AB. So for finding out AB, this, let's say this is x2, y2 and this is as x1 and y1. So answer is x2 minus x1 whole square means 2a minus 2a whole square plus y2 minus y1 means 4a minus 6a. 4a minus 6a whole square. Getting this? So from here you can find out AB equals to 2a minus 2a will be 0 and 4a minus 6a is minus 2a. So you can write it as minus 2a square. So from here it can be, from this square, by this square, yeah, this square of minus is positive. You must be knowing square of negative 1 is positive 1. So it will become, you can write it as under root 2a whole square, because square of negative is positive. So now from this, by this square root will be removed. So answer will be 2a. Okay, by this square root has been removed. So AB distance has been coming, how much? AB distance is 2a. Now we'll find out BC. Okay, so for finding out BC, let's say this is as x2, y2 and this you take as x1 and y1. So let's do this. x2 means 2a minus this complete point. This is x1 minus 2a minus under root 3. It will become minus 2a minus under root 3a square means x2 minus x1. x2 is 2a and x1 is 2a plus under root 3a. 2a plus under root 3 outside was minus, so both have become now minus. Okay, so x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 6a minus 5a. 6a minus 5a whole square. So from here you can find out BC equals to 2a and 2a will cancel each other. So what is left? Minus under root 3a whole square plus 6a minus 5a is a. 6a minus 5 is a and square of a is a square. So from here BC will be, now square of negative is positive, square of under root 3 is 3 and square of a is a square. So it will be 3a square. We can write it as 3a square. Getting this? Square of minus positive, square of under root 3, 3, square of a square and plus a square. So it has become under root 4a square. So 4 is the square root of 2. Square root of 4a is 2. Square root of 4 is 2 and this is square. By this square, the square root has been removed, so a will come out. Okay, by this square root has been removed, so what will come out? A will come out. So BC is coming how much? 2a. Getting this? Very good. Now we'll find out AC. AC distance. Okay, for finding out AC, let's say this is as x2 y2, this is as x1 y1. Now again same way, 2a x2 minus x1 means first one is 2a minus 2a minus under root 3 minus 2a minus under root 3 whole square plus y2 minus 1 means 4a minus 5a. 4a minus 5a whole square. So AC is equals to, now look here, 2a and 2a will cancel each other. Here minus, square of minus is plus, square of 1 root 3 is 3, square of a is a square. So it has become 3a square plus 4a minus 5a is minus a. Smaller minus greater, na? So 4a minus 5a is minus a and square of minus a is a square. Getting this? So from here AC will be equals to under root 4a square is equals to square root of 4 is 2 and it is a square inside under root. By this square root will be removed, so a will come out. So AC is also 2, BC is also 2a and AB is also 2a. Means AB, BC and AC all are same. So if this is so, AB is equal to BC and is equal to AC. If this is so, then you can say yes, ABC is an equilateral triangle. So I can write here, since, here right, since AB is equals to BC is equals to AC, hence triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay dear? This was your first question. Just note it down, then we will do the second one. Now the second question is, good. Let me write the second question. Prove that 2, 3 prove that 2, 3 minus 4, minus 6 and 1, 3 by 2 does not form a triangle. Prove that these 3 points does not form a triangle. Sorry, do not form a triangle. Means these are the 3 points which you have to tell that yes, these 3 points are not forming a triangle. Oh, not forming. How to prove it? Okay, just let's make a triangle whether they are making a triangle or not. So for, let me tell you one thing. A, B, C, whatever the point you take. Now look here. In a triangle, remember this point. In a triangle, the sum of any of its 2 sides is always greater than the third side. If this is so, then yes, it will form a triangle. What I said? I am saying that if in a triangle, the sum of any 2 sides is greater than the third side. Let's say this and this. Suppose add this and this and their sum is coming more than this. Yes, this will form a triangle then. Now add this and this. Let's say this is let's say 3, 4, 5. So we will check whether these 3, 4, 5 distances are making a triangle or not. Now let's say this distance plus this distance, 3 plus 5 is coming 8. So 8 is more than 4. Yes, it's correct. Now add this and this. 5 plus 4, 9, more than 3. Yes. Now add these two. 4 plus 3, 7, more than 5. Yes. So it means it will form a triangle. It will form a triangle. Now suppose if I write this as 2 and this as 1, so this triangle is possible there? No, such triangle will not be possible. Why? Because if you add any two sides, 2 plus 1 3, but this 3 is coming less than 4. Rather this 3 should be coming how much? More than 4. Then it would have formed a triangle. Are you getting this? So this is the reason. So these three will make a triangle if the sum of any of its two sides is always greater than the third side. Now suppose this and this you take, 2 plus 1 3 coming na, but 3 is less than 4. Okay, so hence it will not form a triangle in this case. Okay, so same case we will take here also. Let's say this is the first point, 2, 3. Second point, that is B. This is -4, -6. And next point C, that is 1, 3/2. Now we will check whether they are forming a triangle or not. So first you'll find out AB, then you'll find out BC, then you'll find out AC. Three distances you'll find out. So first you'll find out AB. AB. Let's say for finding out AB, this is x2 y2, and this is x1 y1. AB. So x2 minus x1 means 2 minus 4 means 2 plus 4. It will be 2 plus 4 square plus y2 minus 1 means 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6, so will become plus 6 whole square. So will come how much? 2 plus 4 6, square of 6 is 36, plus 6 plus 3 is 9, square of 9 is 81. So will come how much? 117. Will come how much? 117. And square root of 117 will be more than 10 and less than 11. Mean between, it will be, its answer will be between 10 and 11, because square of 10 is 100 and square of 11 is 121. So it is 117. So it will be between 10 and 11. So I mean 10 point something will be the answer of this. Okay. So AB is this much now. Means its answer will be 10 point something. I am not writing the exact. 10 point something it is. Okay. Now let's check BC. BC check. For checking the BC, take this as x2 y2 and this as x1 y1. Okay. So now x2 y2. Okay. BC, x2 minus x1 means -4 minus 1, -4 minus 1 square plus -6 minus 3/2 whole square. -6 minus 3/2 whole square. So from here BC will be how much? From here BC will be minus always added, sign will be of minus, so it will be -5. 4 plus 1 -5 square plus, now look here, you can take cross multiply, 6 to the 12, -12 and -3, -15/2. It will be -15/2 whole square. So from here BC will be equals to under root 25 plus square of 15, 225/4. Getting this? Good. So from here again take the LCM. 25 4 ja 100 and 100 plus 225 will be 325/4. So if you are dividing, it's coming under root 4 8 ja 32, 4 1 ja 4 point, 4 1 ja 4 1, 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. Sorry, 4 2 ja 8. This much coming. Okay. So its square root will be, square root of 9 is 81, but it is more than 81, and square root of 10 is 100, so it is between 9 and 10. So you can write it 9 point something, not writing the exact number. Okay. So this is the value of BC. Now we'll find out AC distance. AC distance, how will you find out? For finding out AC, you will take this A as x2y2 and C as x1 y1. So it will be x2 minus x1 square means 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 3 by 2 whole square. So it is coming AC equals to square root of 2 minus 1 is 1, square of 1 is 1, 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 3 will be how much? 6 minus 3 will be 3 by 2 whole square. So it will be square root of 1 plus square of 3 will be 9 plus 4, 4 1 is 4 plus 9, 13 by 4. If you are dividing this is coming out to be how much? This is coming out to be 4 3 is 12, 1 13, 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20. Means 3.25 coming. How much it is coming? 3.25. So its square root will be how much? The square root of 2 is 4, but it is 3 point something, means less than 4. So its answer will be how much? 1 point something. Its answer will be 1 point something, na? Because square of 2 is 4, na? It is not 4, it is 3 point something. So its square root will be 1 point something, not writing the exact number. So it is 1 point something. Now you check whether the sum of BC and AC is coming more than AB. Not coming. Look here, if you are adding BC plus AC, it will come 10 point something, and AB is also 10 point something. So you cannot say that AC plus BC is greater than AB. Here you can see AC plus BC is not greater than AB. AC plus BC is coming 10 point something, and here AB is coming 10 point something. Both are either equal or this one will be greater. Okay, because this one value is higher than this. So you can say since BC plus AC is not greater than AB, hence ABC do not form a triangle. So here you write since AC plus BC is not greater than AB, hence A comma B comma C do not form a triangle. So this is how we will solve the question. Okay, so here A, B, C will not form a triangle. Why they do not form a triangle? Because the sum of AC and BC is not coming greater than AB. This sum should be coming 11 or 12, but it is coming 10, which is already there. This AB is 10 point something. So this sum should be coming how much? 11 or 12, but it is not coming. It is exactly coming 10 point something. Here also it is 10 point something, but this one is more. So this one is more or less? Less. So hence you can say AB plus BC is not greater than AB. Hence what? Hence A comma B comma C do not form a triangle. So this is how we will solve the question. Okay. Now some other sort of question we will just solve in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Keep watching.